Hello, this is Linda with CNO with a tutorial on how to edit a page in WIX. So you begin by logging into your WIX account, and you might open to this page, which is My Sites. And if you do, just hover over the site that you wish to edit and select it, and that will bring you into your dashboard. If you've logged in before, it's possible that you'll just open up to the dashboard, which is fine. That's where you want to be. If you want to get back to where you were, up on the left-hand corner, if you hit this down arrow, you can go back to that first page, go to My Sites. So once you're in the dashboard of the site that you wish to edit, go to the right-hand side and select Edit Site. WIX will compile your site and bring it up for you. So here we have the site we wish to edit. All right, so on the left-hand side, we've got these icons, and if you hover over them, it will tell you what each of them are. Today, we're going to go down to the third one, which is Pages and Menu. If you click on that, Pages and Menu will slide out. And you want to make sure that Site Menu is highlighted. You may or may not have these other options, such as blog pages or dynamic pages, but you want to select Site Menu, and that will pull up all of the pages that are on your site. You just click on the one that you wish to edit. So today I'm going to edit my About page. So I'm going to select that, and you can see that the page comes up here. If I click within that page, the menu will slide out so that you can edit it. As I move the mouse around, different sections will highlight. So you can see here you're editing your header. Here you're editing a text box. Here's another text box. Here you're editing an image. So to edit text, you want to put your mouse here and just click, and then click on Edit Text. All of this text will highlight, which means it's editable, and then you'll see a text settings box. If you hover over it to get this little four-pointer thing, you can slide this around and get it out of your way or move it to wherever it's convenient for you. So click within here where you want to edit the text, and wherever you put your cursor, you can just start typing, you can erase, you can highlight a piece and then use your text settings to change your font size. You can bold, italic, underline. You can change the font color if you like. This would be the alignment, so left aligned or center aligned here. And then little more things if you want to get into things like character and line spacing, but generally you're just going to want to edit the text here. Or you might want to add or edit a link. So if we look down here at the link, highlight that. If I click on the link key and select it, it's showing you this little broken link symbol. That means that this has already been linked. So say I want to just double check that or change the link, just click on that, click on the link, and it's going to let you set up a link. So if page is highlighted, it's going to let you link to a page within your site. So say you want to say, go back to home, then you would choose the home page and it would go back to your home page. So page refers to all of the pages on your site. If you click web address, you can get a web address and paste anything here. So any http.com, .org. And I like to select new window because that opens another tab in your browser and it doesn't close your site that you're on. You can also type in an email, and if you just type in your email address, it will put in an email link. So for this, I'm just going to leave in that web address and click Done, and now it is linking. And then if you highlight that, you can also change the color of your link. So if you need to change that color, that can be done there, or you can, again, use any of the text settings to change that. Once you're finished editing and you're happy with what you see, make sure that you click Save in the upper right, and then click Publish Now. That will make it live online. If you somehow miss that button, you can click the Publish button up on the top right, and that will also publish your site. And then, let's see, what else can we go over? Over here, it shows you two little buttons that show you what your site looks like on a desktop, and you can also switch to mobile. This will switch that formatting so that you can see what your site looks like on a mobile phone. So you can adjust that, and whatever you adjust here will only adjust on mobile. Once you're finished with that, again, save and publish, or you can go back to the desktop and see the desktop view. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. You can also leave us suggestions for future tutorials. Come back to our channel to check for more tutorials. And thank you for visiting C&O.